Anything above 30 kilowatt, you will see everything liquid cooled. Anything below 30 kilowatt, air cooled. I mean, because that's what the requirement is. See that model. Potential integrated. So it's one of the most compact motor you will actually see for 150 kilowatt. 200 kilowatt we can easily hide it. So this will have a controller either on top of it or separate as per the customer requirement.
Controller is ready or is in development phase still?
Our controller is in development stage, sir, but we have controllers ready with other partners with whom we will give you. But we as a company will take all responsibility for complete 3-in-1 setup for you.
But something is under development or is something is...
This motor is currently in, customers are testing it in their vehicles, which is there. We have ourselves also kept it in multiple vehicles, which is there. But yeah, for it to come into production, it will approximately take 6 months to 1 year more because
PMSM.
it's a complete PMSM motor.
No, other raw materials might be imported from somewhere outside, right? Like
Only raw material which is imported is magnets, which is there. In this specific motor, sensor is also imported from outside, but that is something which we are building the capability in-house. Magnet would be the only component which will be imported, sir. And just to add another thing that we have actually added few characteristics of SRM motor, synchronous reluctance motor in this motor to cut down the magnet weight. So we have patents on that, and this has the least amount of magnet weight which is being used, which reflects in our costing also.
How many kilowatt motor this is?
150 kilowatt.
150 kilowatt. It is used in buses and heavy load vehicles.
It's mainly for passenger car, sir, passenger car. It's a high RPM motor, up to 14,000 RPM.
Okay. 150 kilowatt. 150 kilowatt.
150 kilowatt.
It's a 3-phase motor. AC.
It's a 3-phase AC motor.
AC motor.
Those are synchronous reluctance motors, sir, but we actually have those also under R&D, but you get a similar performance from a synchronous reluctance motor or a ferrite assisted. The size will be almost double.
Whole thing in one, and as well as the motor
specifications.
all the products are, yes, it is based on the any type of coolant we can use, like
Cooling system?
yes, this is inlet and outlet.
Okay. Oh, liquid water
Yes,
cooling.
like say sample, it has a dual socket.
These are all the AC motors only.
Yes,
How many kilowatt?
60
kilowatt.
kilowatt.
Okay.
All of them are development is through. This is a primary testing tooling stage.
You get it from China or this?
All the technology, every motor here is made from scratch in our design house itself, photos and all. So we are doing pilots. So
They are developed currently. Still,
So
it is
we
not
are-
finalizing. Visualizing.
Very good. Yeah, very good.
இது சும்மா அப்படியா வச்சிருக்காரு இல்ல பெண்ணு தான் பெண் அப்படியா கடைசியில் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம்
Yeah, we have tie-ups with display vendors who can provide you displays, and we can help with software. See, Vegas displays. Displays.
This is from a company called Seco. We partnered with them. That's a Italy based company.
These are all used for electric vehicles display, LCD touchscreen display. Are providing software and hardware.
Just providing software.
Design custom displays of any size, any shape. That's a demo which is running so to show you the kind of brightness and clarity. And it is automotive grade. These are the kind of displays that they manufacture. He's from Seco. Satish.
But we have, supplied chargers to one of the CPO partners who have participated in tender. So under the Anode name, you will find these charger there as well. White label is electric.
That Belganiന്റെ പ്രശ്നം പറഞ്ഞാലും
30 kilowatt that you will see under the Anode tender, Anode setup, you will find it. This is from our manufacturing facility.
You are providing charging station setup or you are own?
രീതിയില്ലേ ഒരു ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ്
We can provide the chargers, and if you want, we can help you set up the charger.
You are also having own charging stations and also.
No, we are not manufacturing charging stations. We are manufacturing charger, and we do the installation and the other support as well, which is considered under after sales
In
of
which
charger.
state having?
We have presence all over India with 19 states already covered.
All over India, 19 states. For all vehicles suitable
No,
models.
four-wheeler.
Four-wheeler. That's all.
That's also four-wheeler slow charger.
Payment,
This is fast charger.
It's fast charger, normal. The payment online.
Yeah, through the application.
Your own application development.
Kilowatt will cost you somewhere around 6,000. 6,000 and one is 15,000. 15,000 one is an ARAI certified charger.
air cooled है कि liquid cooled है cooling
This is air cooled.
Can you give the pamphlet of both?
Yeah, please.
Sir, you are providing EV charging station setups for
Yes,
companies.
yes. Everyone for residential apartments, corporate builders. These are all the builders workspaces. We are already working with
You doesn't
government
have
projects.
that your own charging stations in the
These are our own charging stations. But we are selling this
selling.
on Capex model.
It's two-wheeler and four-wheeler also.
Two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, everything.
Okay. Your card?
See, so every charging station has a unique scan code on it. Now, for example, you want to set up a charging station. Now, your bank account will be linked with that scan code. If
I purchase your
Yes.
from your
from
company.
us, and then you would be linking your account with that scan code.
Your software.
Yes. So it would be ROI basis.
Okay. One. Okay, no.
Parking slots, malls and various other aspects are reserved from percentage of
You are doing different types of charging connectors?
Yes.
Okay, sir. For all company vehicles, it's suitable?
For four-wheelers, yes.
Four-wheelers?
Four-wheelers, yes.
Okay, sir. With one charging station, with one charging station, these type of all pins are available in one?
No. One type of pin.
One charging station, only any one of the...
Yeah.
Okay.
wherein the fund in the upstream organization of EVs is intended to be available from this kind of special offer. I think that's one aspect that should be done so that instead of setting up a charging station and getting the excess power from the
This is very big power like that. 1000 VDC like.
the high cost of electricity is another issue. And I was talking to Mr. Vishnu in the morning that Tamil Nadu is one of the states where the cost of electricity, which will help some of the EVs. The green power, I think the whole proliferation of the EVs is not going to meet the objective. We provide differentiated and unique customer experience to our world-class digital platform. We are one of the biggest charging networks in India, with around 5,000 charge points already operational across major cities and highways. Our stations encompass all the formats, the hubs for the OTV only post stations, as well as the destination charging stations. We operate the biggest charging hub with 254 charge points in the national capital of NCR region. We are leaders in providing easy fast charging. Our confidence of the network is more than 50 kilowatt charge points. Technology being constantly innovating to roll out the wider range innovations like rapid load sharing or the auto charge.
You only launch
Keep the uptime of the network
almost
more than 25%.
how much it's cost? Okay. Range?
We are
Top speed is
First car is called as a type. So we not
Director of Franchise India to kindly join us on the dais to present a token of memento to Mr. Harish Mehta. And we have Ashton here. So since she is not available, I would like to welcome Sanjeev Kumar Jha to kindly join us on the dais to do the honors, please. Can you all hear a huge round of applause for the gentleman, Mr. Harish Mehta, for us?
Suzuki Brezza.
And now to present the next.
passenger auto. You are providing passenger autos and load autos.
Yes.
Electric.
Yes.
What's the range?
For passenger it's 165 and load it's 160.
165 range.
165
range.
yes.
Okay. Its price. Registration model.
Sorry?
Registration model. Number
Yes, actually, we haven't launched yet. We'll be launching in by August.
August launching.
August launching, yeah. So,
Expected price?
Expected price should be around 3.5.
3.5 lakhs.
Yes.
Battery kilowatt?
Battery kilowatt is 11.8.
11.8 kilowatt.
11.8 and the true range is 165.
True range 165. Top speed?
55.
55 top speed. Your
No company has this Excel. They haven't launched it, so we cannot say it's a competitor. But we are new to the market.
3,80,000.
So Mountra has the 3-seater passenger, but this is the Excel actually. Yeah. You are from
E-Road.
E-Road, and what is your prospect actually? What do you prospect?
We are providing electric vehicle services and e-rickshaw services. Government autos, you have seen that for
The
Panchayat auto.
L3,
that
okay.
service, battery changing,
Battery
replacement.
change. Can I have your contact details?
Okay.
Please.
Madam, good morning. Hope you're having a good show.
Loading capacity?
500 kg.
500 kg. Top speed, same specification, 55 kilometers. Top speed.
Yes.
Range?
Range 160 kilometers.
Same specifications. Both are.
Around a full load 120 euros. Yeah.
These are all the motors. Indonesia.
You are at office at Chennai. We are at Hyderabad. Manufacturing unit. Send you to the main. We will connect. Number plates means this. HSRP. We have to sell at RTA people, no? Correct. That will be given. No, but privately we cannot purchase.
I know, sir, but you have to map us as a vendor. Only then we supporting. We already in Hyderabad. We are doing green.
Sir,
Out of the EV vehicle.
your company, sir? Company name?
Company Kalan Industries Limited.
State of origin?
Pardon.
State of origin? State origin, sir?
Origin Hyderabad, Telangana.
Your own manufacturer or importer?
Yes, these vehicles are own manufacturing. These are imports.
China.
4 models China.
Okay.
3 models India.
Okay.
Hyderabad.
That's good. Okay.
What are you?
I'm from E-Road. E-bike service. YouTube channel.
YouTube channel. Channel का नाम क्या है?
Aman EV Tech.
Where and subscriptions you have?
63.
63.
Just.
Good. I wish you success in the lakhs.
Thank you, sir.
I am also YouTuber.
Channel name, sir?
No channel. Every channel is mine.
That's the best.
Ratnarao, his name is brand. You take. You search in YouTube.
Okay.
You will see hundreds of.
We are also manufacturing lithium ion and lithium peroxide batteries. You have used lithium.
We manufacture lithium peroxide.
Own manufacturing lithium peroxide. That's good.
house basically. I am executive director. He is the chairman. Manager.
And registration model or registration model?
Registration model.
Top speed?
80.
Top speed 80. Range, sir?
Range 120.
72 volt battery.
Yeah. One more thing is, we are in the EV industry. We are coming with fast charging. 1 hour in house.
House charging 1 hour.
Yeah.
Battery life will spoil by this.
Arre, 7 years guarantee, 3 years warranty we are giving.
How many amps charger, sir? Charging ampere?
10.
10 ampere.
Okay, according to the battery it will be given.
Okay.
So first time in the country you can,
range, sir?
put your in YouTube, you will get lakhs of this one. Fast charging we are coming.
Okay.
1 hour within 15 minutes outside.
Range, you have said what range, sir?
One single charging 120 kilometers.
120 kilometers range. Solid range or real range?
Pure Seal FB, family bike.
Seat are and big seats given.
Yes,
Okay.
This is charging port.
Charging port?
Yeah.
How to open?
Press and leave.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Come.
Pin charging.
Come. Vanakkam.
So I'm from the government of Tamil Nadu, so we are from the industries department. Today I think
आप नोट रखो இதெல்லாம் ஓன் மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் அதெல்லாம் இம்போர்ட்
நாளை நைட்டு தான்
കോയമ്പത്തൂർ ബേസ് സാധനം ഉണ്ടല്ലോ.
Suppose up to 1 ton kgs of weight. Okay. So what's will be the range of this vehicle?
The range is 120 kilometers on a single charge with loading capacity included.
Okay. So under what category it is developed?
Electric category.
No. Under what category it is registered in?
L3 vehicle.
L3. Yes. So this is completely made in India?
Yes, completely made in India. ICAT approved.
Sir, it's a registration model or non-registration model?
Registered model.
Registered model. Top speed, sir?
Top speed is 25.
25 kilometers. Top speed. Battery range, sir?
120 kilometers.
With load. With load 120 kilometers. 120 kilometers. Load. This is cabinet. Differential. Differentials, up motor.
This is a cap. Inside there is a PTF. That is the heart of the system. Within it.
Pressure release.
Don't hesitate. Ask questions. It's good. You're stressed out, I think. Yes.
manufacturing your own cycles?
Manufacturing is in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad-based company. Lithium-ion battery range, madam?
The range up to this is 40 and this is 42.
42 kilometers range. Top speed?
Speed up.
Top
Speed
25, 30?
25 to 30.
Okay. No gear options are not available. Pedal.
Gear
Okay.
options not available. Just
These two models only available.
now only 2 models, but we
Okay.
have different models in this model. Battery will be inside this set. And
Removable battery or not?
it is concealed battery only.
It cannot be removable.
Removed by ourselves, but in service center they can.
Okay, okay. Down they are having removing for points.
Yes, yes.
Price?
This is 40,000 and this is 40,000.
42,000, 45, 40,000. Okay. Battery warranty?
Battery warranty is 18 months.
18 months. 3
watts battery.
Okay. 50 watts battery.
3 years.
2 years. Only 1.5 years. 18 months.
And your consumption is not solar, how much consumption is electrical consumption? Consumption quantity.
6 volt dual battery. 6 volt. Mode 2 amps.
ನಮ್ಮ amps ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು.
Amps, 2 amps.
Yeah, 2 amps.
ಸರಿ, thank you. ನಾನು ಉಂಗ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ I will, let me know. Please update me if there's anything.
Excuse me. You are doing what kind of
Like
lead acid batteries?
Yeah, not it is a lithium-ion battery.
Okay.
So this is a normal battery which has 2 terminals. In this we have 4 terminals. 4 terminals. Yeah.
Okay.
We have separated the battery packages too. A set of battery for charging and set of battery for discharging.
Okay.
So this what
Application
it will do
used in
EVs.
EVs. Okay.
EV as well. We are designing for EV. EV in gear line. So we can use as 12 volt, 24, 36, 48 for different gears and speeds. Will
Okay.
vary. So the main concept is like parallel series switching. So parallel what it will give is output of like 4 volt like that we can able to take. This is our battery.
Okay. We are also manufacturing lithium peroxide.
Maybe lithium NCR, nickel chromium.
NMG.
Maybe
Lithium.
I don't know specific.
Okay.
We'll inform. So here what?
1 second. Just take. Lithium peroxide. We are also manufacturing the battery packs with
Lithium peroxide.
cells without warranty and guarantee. You are providing how many months warranty?
This is input will be 5 volt.
Okay.
Okay, which is in parallel charging. Parallel charging mode. We can switch to the series and we can get output of
12 volt. Okay.
12 volt DC. We can use for application like a simple bike.
Charging in parallel, output in series. Okay.
This is the concept. We can switch between there will be 2 packs like this. Here will be a pack, set of 6 cells.
Okay.
This is a set of 6 cells. So we can separate. While this is charging, this will be discharging. And this is charging, this will be discharging. Simultaneously it happens.
Okay.
We can switch it between switch with the.
It will maximize the range of the vehicle.
Yeah. Yes. So this will be integrated into EV as well.
EV, these batteries have multiple, or sizes will max.
Size will be 24 volt will be like this. That's
Size
all.
will.
You can double this.
Okay.
Integrated with
Warranties.
not under sales right now. We'll be launching. Launching on August 15. Right?
August. Paper. Catalog.
You got the catalog?
No.
Can I get the card details?
Okay.
எனக்கு என்னண்ணா சிரிக்கிறீங்க ஏன்னா
தமிழ் பேசணும்
supply
Yes. We supply brake system.
What is the wattage of your?
So basically,
If you say platform, प्रत्येक रेंजसाठी रेडी एक्सेप्ट टू व्हीलर्स, फोर व्हीलर्स. किती वॅटचा पंप आहे?
तो असेल 100 व्हॅक्यूम. आता डेमो आहे, दोन्ही तर डेमोच आहेत, सेमच आहे.
डेमो आहे.
प्रोडक्शन पार्ट्स ठेवलेच नाही.
Cooling system is
Yes. No.
You are all providing electric vehicle chargers?
Yes. It's over there.
Chargers and battery
brake system.
They are basically components for
thermal management system.
On manufacturing.
Yes.
How much is cost?
I'll get back to you. 1 minute. I'll just.
Okay, no worries.
ஐடி கார்டு மாற்றி விடுங்க.
For the new because one has to understand that part.
You are providing 3D printing orders. We can say you are printing 3D printer sales department or service providing. I will send you a prototype of a computer design. You can print and company location. சரி இதுக்காக வேணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் மினிமம் குவான்டிட்டினால் பண்ணி தருவீங்க. சரி லொக்கேஷனு சரி கோடம்பா சரி ஏதாவது ஸ்பேர்ஸ்க்கு இது வந்து ஸ்டாக் அவைலபிள் இல்லைன்னா பண்ணலாம் நீங்கள். அதுக்காக என்னென்ன பர்பஸ்க்காக போயிட்டுருக்குங்க இதெல்லாம் வந்து
நார்மல் நீங்கள் சொல்லுவாங்க லைக் ஏதோ ஒரு சின்ன காரில் வந்து சின்னதாக ஒரு ஸ்பாட் பிரேக் அடிச்சு அது வந்து
ரொம்ப காஸ்ட் அதிகமாக இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருந்தாலும் பண்ணலாம்.
இல்லை கிடைக்கவே இல்லை, பழைய ஓல்டு வெஹிக்கல்ஸ் கிடைக்க கிடையாது, விண்டேஜ் மாடல் கிடைக்காது. ஸோ அதுக்கான சேம் பார்ட் வந்து சேம் குவாலிட்டியில் வேணும், சேம் ஸ்ட்ரென்த் வேணும் அப்படின்னா ஒன்று மேனுஃபேக்சர் தர வரைக்கும் வெயிட் பண்ணணும், இல்லை டேரக்டாக நம்ம கிட்ட பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
சரி
ஸோ அதோட ஃபோட்டோகிராஃப்ஸ் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா நம்ம மாடல் பண்ணிவிட்டு 3D மாடல் பண்ணிவிட்டு அந்த
இது என்னென்ன மெட்டீரியல் அவைலபிளாக இருக்குது? பிளாஸ்டிக்கு அது இன்னொன்று என்னமோ சொல்லியிருந்தாங்களே கொஞ்சம்
PLA, PETG, SLA இந்த மூணு பண்ண முடியும். இந்த மூணுமே உங்களுக்கு அந்த செட் அச்சீவ் பண்ணி கொடுக்கும். ABS வந்துட்டு நீங்கள் டேரெக்டாக இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ்க்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்.
குவாலிட்டியாக
வந்து ஸ்ட்ரென்த் அதிகம்.
ஓகே தேங்க்யூ. கார்டு நோட் பண்ணி
Name?
Roshan Prakash.
Spelling?
ROSHAN PRAKAS 94422 80518 email ID தேவையில்லை இருக்குங்க. அது ரெக்குயர்மெண்ட் இது ரெடி IoT ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்களா நீங்கள்?
இல்லை, IoT வந்து இன்டர்நெட் ஆஃப் திங்ஸ். உங்களுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி எதுனா வேணும் அப்படின்னு
ஹோம் ஆட்டோமேஷன் வைஃபைல வைஃபை டாங்கல் வச்சு நம்ம லைட் ஆன் பண்ணுறதா அது சர்வீஸ் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணுறீங்களா? என்ன ப்ரோட்டோடைப் சரி பண்ணிடுறோம். ஓகே, ஏதோ கான்டாக்ட் டீட்டெயில் தர முடியுங்களா?
இவங்க IoT கார்டு
சரி
மாதிரி அதே மாதிரி ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் ஆனால் வந்து லைக் அதே மாதிரி
இது 3D பிரிண்டிங் கார்டு, இது IoT கார்டு. ரெண்டுத்துலையுமே ரெக்குயர்மெண்ட்ஸ்
என்னென்ன ரெக்குயர்மெண்ட் என்னங்கிறது போகணுங்களா?
3D மாடல்ஸ்க்கு வந்து ப்ரிஃபர்
ரெக்குயர்மெண்ட் BMS இருக்குது, பேட்டரி மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் சிஸ்டம்